So have you told them what you're making?
Cabbage roll and soup recipe. Trying to cut the onion. Hey. Yes. Oh, doesn't look good, man.
It'll be alright, just once you get into it.
No, it's rotten.
Add garlic, so you need to add three teaspoons of garlic to the onions.
3?
Yep. Okay.
Oh, gee, that's...
1 teaspoon of Worcester sauce. No, use that silver one, because you need the orange ones for the dry ingredients. Have you shaken it?
Oh, I haven't. Gotta open it.
Use your muscles, girl.
I use my muscles, lady.
Okay. 1 teaspoon. Okay.
Sorry.
Oh, put extra.
Yeah.
Okay, they'll make it spicy. Now the dry teaspoon. Get you to dry the orange ones. Yes.
This one?
No, that's a tablespoon. No, that's a teaspoon of paprika.
Paprika.
So a teaspoon of that. Okay, a teaspoon of salt. That orange one again. Okay. Right. Now
I don't want too salty.
okay. Okay. So we'll just wait for that to heat up. Okay, put the beef in. Yeah, well, you'll have to mash it up. Get it out the all the lumpies. Get all the lumps out. Okay. And then add all that other onion and mixture.
What's it now?
Yeah, add all that that what we've mixed up with the onion. Put that in. Okay, now just mash it all up and then cook it for 10 minutes. Okay. Right, you've got to cut up your cabbage. Yeah, just cut it like that, then we can cut it up. Yeah, because you need 4 cups. Okay, now cut what you've got. Cut it small.
Just ignore the...
Yeah.
Whoops! Just dropped it in the... Chopped it on the floor.
Oh. Now that's all cooked, ready to go. Okay. Now that's the 4 cups of cabbage. So put that in the crock pot, Veronica.
Put this in here now.
Yeah, the crock pot, yes. Oh, hang on. Oh, yes, it's going, yes. A teaspoon of teaspoon. Okay, half a teaspoon of basil. Half a teaspoon, no, half a teaspoon.
Little one?
No, that one, yes, half a teaspoon of basil. Okay. 3 cups of tomato sauce. So, yeah, that's 2 cups. Okay, I'll just get you going. Okay, that's 2 cups of tomato sauce. And then another cup.
Another cup.
Yep. Okay, the other cup. You get your spatula in.
Whee! Come running.
Okay. You can of nice tomatoes. Put that in the yep. Yeah, do it over the yeah.
Yep.
Half a cup of water. So I got that in the jug.
Yeah.
Yep. Bring it out now here. The white jug.
Yeah.
And put half a cup in where Let's just see where half a cup is.
Oh, 1/2 cups?
Yep. Yep, that should be enough. Oh, that's well over half. No, you've got too much here. Hang on. Okay, half a cup of water. Okay, and then the beef. Okay, get your spatula and stir it all up. Okay, now put it in your slow cooker.
Told you it wouldn't take long.
No. There we go. Okay, and put it on high. Yep, there we go.
Thank you for watching how to make cabbage rolls soup. If you guys want the recipe, the description down below. Ronnie is out. Subscribe, put the notification bell for more videos down the road. Ronnie is out. Bye.